Hello friend, welcome to my channel Quest for Education. Today I am discussing 10 mathematics question for the student who is preparing for the Johar Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exam. Let's start, and before we start, one thing I would remember you that don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, press the like button and share to your friend. Question number 1. A man earns rupees 15 per hour for his work. If he works for 8 hours a day for 5 days, his total earning is. So per hour he work 8 hours per day for 5 days. So it's become 600. So D is the right answer. Question number 2. The simple interest on rupees 3000 at 6% per annum for 2.5 years is equal to. So simply it's calculated from formula to, that is principal is 3000, rate 6%, and time, that is 5 by 2, that is 2.5 year, or 5 by 2 year. So interest, that is PTR by 100, that is 3000, T, that is 5 by 2 into R, that is 6 by 100, 450. So D is the right answer. Question number 3. The number of square tiles of side 15 cm required for flooring a room of size 3.6 meter and 4.5 meter will be. So first we converted meter 3.6 meter into centimeter and 4.5 meter into centimeter. So question number 3, 3.6 meter by 4.5 meter, that is 360 centimeter by 450 centimeter. This is the area of floor. Side, that is 15 centimeter, area, that is 15 by 15. So number required 360 into 450 by 15, 32, that is 720. So B is the right answer. Question number 4. Simplify. 10 plus 4 divided by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 4 minus divided by 2 into 2 minus 4. So we simply calculated it from BODMAS rule, that is 4, 10 plus 4 divided by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 4 divided by 2 into 2 minus 4. So plus 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 4 by 2, first 2 into 2 minus 4, 12 minus 6 plus 4 minus 4, that is 4 minus 4 0, 12 minus 6, that is 6. So B is the right answer. 5. Three bells ring at interval of 12, 15 and 18 seconds respectively. If they start ringing together at 8:35 am, at what time will they ring together again at the earliest? So first we calculate the LCM of 12, 15 and 18. So question number 5, 12, 15, 18, 2, 6, 15, 9, 3, 2, 5, 3. That is 2 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 3. 3 5 is 15, 15 2 is 30, 33 is 90, 90 to 180, 180 second. So it's become divided by 60, we get 180 by 60, that is 3 second, 3 minute. Bell ring after 3 minute. So 8:35 plus 3, it has become 8:38 am. So A is the right answer. Question number 6. Which of the following number are arranged in ascending order? So first there are 3 number, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 2 and 0.25. First we convert 1 by 3 into decimal, so it's become 0.33. 1.2 it's become 0.50 and 0.25. so here small number is 0.25, so for ascending order 0.25 first, after that 0.33 small number, so 0.33, after that 0.50, so it's become 0.25, 1 3 or 1 by 2. So ascending order is 0.25, 1 by 3, 1 by 2. C is the right answer. Question number 7. The HCF of 2 co-prime number is, we know that the HCF of 2 co-prime number is 1. So C is the right answer. 10 meter is what percent of 10 kilometer? So we have to convert it percent. So 10 meter by 10 kilometer into 100. So 10 meter is 10 kilometer, it's become 10,000 meter into 100. So 3 1 2 3, 1 by 10%, that is 0.1%. So A is the right answer. Question number 9. In how many years will rupees 500 amount to rupees 600 at the rate of 5% per annum at simple interest? 9. Principal is 500, amount is 600, so interest is 600 minus 500, that is 100. Time we have to calculate, and rate is 5%. So time, from formula, time equal to I into 100 by P into R. So I, that is 100 into 100 by P, that is 500, and R, that is 5, 0 0, 5 20, 5 4. So 4 year is the right answer. So B is the right answer. Question number 10. From the graph, find the difference of number of questions solved by student C, D together and by student A, B, E together. So from graph, C solved 14 questions and D solved 10 questions. So C, D together solve, C solve 14 questions, D solve 10 questions. So C and D together solve, C and D together solve 14 plus 10, that is 24 questions. 24 questions. And A, B, E together solve, that is A solves 4, B solve 8 and E solve 8. So A, B, E, A, B and E together solve 4 plus 8 plus 8, that is 20 questions. So their difference is 24 by minus, so it's 4. So 4. So B is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.